Papa! It's Papa Texas. G'day, Papa. It's Patrick. Well, Patrick from down under Australia. Paddy Joe Cooking, Papa. That's right. And listen, I was just contacting you, well, on the off chance you might be interested in something, because have I got a challenge for you? And what it is a stuffed chicken breast, Papa. What do you think about that? I'd love to see you try and cook something like that and see what sort of delicious dish you could come up with. What do you say, Papa? Will you give it a go?
Hey Patrick, it takes a lot of guts to do a challenge against Papa Texas. That's right. Stuffed chicken breast? I could do that in my sleep. I got you on this one. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas right there, yeah. And I'm gonna make y'all a stuffed chicken and stuffed chicken breast. And for sure, I'm gonna leave in the iCard and at the end of the video and down in the description box a link to Paddy Joe Cooking. Go check him out. He's an awesome dude over in Australia making his cooks, and he does some freaking awesome cooks. You'll like him. So first, before you go to him, watch mine, because mine's gonna outperform his, like all my other challenges that people challenge me. I keep winning, because I'm good. Outdoor cooking with Papa Texas. Yeah, chin chin. Let's get to the cook. All right, check this out. Here is my stuffing. We're going to use 9 ounces of chopped spinach. I'll make sure it's drained. And then we got 1/4 a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to go with a half a shallot. I'm going to mince it. We're going to go with 2 large cloves, and I'm going to mince that. And then we got some mozzarella cheese right there. Right there she is, however you say that. And we're going to put that thing together and put it in that bowl. Be right back. All right, there it all is. Look at that mix. Isn't that beautiful? All right, y'all be sure and I'm going to leave a link to Paddy Joe Cooks over there in Australia. We're going to take, okay, so I made a pocket like that. See that? I think this is going to taste. Papa, just use your hands. I got that pocket way back up in there. Stuff it up in there. Look at that. Look at that baby. We'll pull her over and blind her a little bit. She'll work. She'll be fine. And also, what I'm going to do at this point, put a little Evo spray on there. And we're going with my lucky stuff. Uncle Steve's Shake Gator Shake. Y'all know that's good. I love this stuff. Alright. As you can see, we're offset cooking. Look at them babies. That's awesome. Awesome. Look at that baby. Check that out. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get a bite in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna leave the recipe to the stuffing down below. That is freaking awesome. Gigi is gonna be very impressed with Papa. Yes. And don't forget, get you some Gator Shake. Uncle Steve Shake, Gator Shake. That's always down in my description. Alright, y'all. It's Papa. I'd love for you to leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more cooks from Papa Texas. See you.